I'm back with the latest Pinterest trends, and this week, Pinterest collected insights around the theme Spring is in the Air. People on Pinterest are warming up their feeds with springtime inspiration from fresh foods and florals to beach getaways. And I'm sharing all the trends with you today. But first, let's start with our key trends. There's been a 2x increase in spring break clothes, a 4x increase in rainy day hair, 60% increase in spring cleaning, a 2x increase in spring fling dresses, and a 95% increase in Bloom Bar. So what's behind the trends? Pinterest is a place to look forward. In fact, more than 482 million people use Pinterest to find tomorrow's ideas. And by observing current trends on Pinterest, we can glean valuable insights into what may be trending elsewhere in the near future. Each week, Pinterest Predicts Weekly highlights actionable search trends among Pinterest users across categories, regions, and demographic groups. All search queries link to trends.pinterest.com, where you too can discover insights and plan your marketing for Pinterest. Growing trend, spring ahead. One of the funnest vacation weeks of the year is inspiring searches for beachy outfits and travel accessories. Growing search terms in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 2x increase in spring break clothes, a 90% increase in spring break aesthetic, a 45% increase in beach essentials, a 30% increase in men vacation outfits, and a 25% increase in best travel bags. Category trend, ready for renewal. People on Pinterest are searching for ways to be their best self this spring with routine and fashion searches. So in the beauty category, in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 4x increase in rainy day hair, a 2.5x increase in spring hair color trends, a 135% increase in healthy skin tips, and a 90% increase in opalescent nails. Household. In the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 60% increase in spring cleaning, a 45% increase in DIY shower cleaner, a 25% increase in laundry room renovation, and a 25% increase in bathroom cleaning hacks. Fashion. In the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 2x increase in spring fling dresses, a 140% increase in spring jacket, a 50% increase in rain boots, and a 35% increase in linen shirt men. Regional trends, vibrant eats. From state to state, people on Pinterest are exploring fun new food ideas to match the new season. In the Midwest, fresh and fun ways to enjoy fruit and veggies are trending. Over-indexing searches by Pinterest users in the Midwest versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there's been a 135% increase in strawberry smoothie, 130% increase in kale chips, 125% increase in bacon-wrapped asparagus, 120% increase in leg of lamb recipes. In the Northeast, comfort foods get better than ever with spring flavors, which are totally trending in the Northeast. Over-indexing searches by Pinterest users versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there's been a 155% increase in potato leek soup, 130% increase in portobello mushroom recipes, 120% increase in pickled beets, 120% increase in glazed carrots. In the Western states, searches are up for fresh seasonal flavors like citrus and seafood. Over-indexing searches by Pinterest users in the West versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there's been a 170% increase in grapefruit recipes, 160% increase in salmon sushi bake, 135% increase in leek recipes, 125% increase in salmon tacos. From sweet treats to savory sides, fun food ideas are trending. Over-indexing searches by Pinterest users in the Southeast versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there has been a 150% increase in lemon pound cake with glaze, 130% increase in creamed spinach, 120% increase in beet juice recipes, and 120% increase in ham and cheese Hawaiian rolls. Gen Z keeping it fresh. New ideas for fashion and home decor are blossoming this week. Growing searches in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 95% increase in bloom bar, a 40% increase in colorful bouquets, 35% increase in pastel color palette, 30% increase in floral dress, and a 25% increase in love in bloom bridal shower theme. Featured board this week is Tidy Space, Tidy Mind. Keep your space clean and clutter-free with this aesthetic home inspo. Check out Pinterest featured board in the link below. Have a great day.